everyone! Today I will demonstrate on how to baby burp. There are so many ways in holding a baby. And now I will show you how to do cradle hold. In doing cradle hold, all you need to do is hold the baby, the back of head, supporting the neck, while your other hand will support the buttocks. Now, another lifting and holding techniques for the baby is lap hold. All you need to do is hold the baby again, the back, the head, and your other hand is on the buttocks. And sit on the chair and put on your lap and bend the knees and push. And toes should touch your waist. Support the neck at the back with your two hands. And now, let's proceed to hip hold. Hold the baby again. Hold the baby again at the back of the head. And your other hand is on the buttocks. And put and bend the knees and your hip. This is the way to hold a baby of a hip hold. After learning how to hold a baby, let's proceed to how to baby burp. But first, you need to put towel on your shoulder. After that, take the baby, curl the baby. Hold the baby again at the back of the head, and your other hand is on the buttocks. And then, put on your shoulder, and then grab the baby or tap a baby. This is what we call a shoulder hold. And now, the other way of burping a baby is sitting. Get the baby in the cradle, and sit down on the chair. Sit the baby. Sit the baby and tap at the back or tap at the back of the baby. And now, another method of burping a baby is the face on your lap. All you need to do is, again, cradle the baby and sit on a chair. Put the baby on one lap. Then hold the baby jaw to support her head in turning to your other lap. Make sure the baby head is lower. Make sure the baby head is lower than the leg of the baby. Then rub the back. Rub the back of the baby or tap until baby burps.